ये पीछे से यूं करके 2 उठे हुए।
I know.
बंद नीचे करो ना।
नहीं हो यार।
हो गया, बस छोड़ दो।
Look like an idiot.
We're gonna be reading childhood stories.
Oh no.
On my phone. Sunny, you're so annoying. My phone. Jawab.
Annoying.
My phone. Okay.
What were you noise?
No, okay, I have a good one. It shows how love deprived I was as a child. ठीक है? तो in our previous apartment, रात को when I was like 100% sure that like you're asleep, so I was like, okay, she's asleep. Now's my chance, and I would pretend as if I was sleeping. I was like, करके I would like roll over to your side, and then I don't like where this is going. I would try and hug you.
You're so disgusting.
I would make it seem as if I was just like, oh, I'm just sleeping.
I hate you so much.
You would always, तो you मुझे
Stop touching me.
नहीं मार साइड पे फेंक देती थी, and I never really got my hug, but it was worth it. No, you know what she used to do? She used to ऐसा ये मुझे we would be like talking, the vibes would be high, and this is like one of the stories. And then she would ask me, she would be like, यार मुझे please दबा दो, मैं बहुत थकी हुई. And sometimes I would be an amazing sister, and I would दबाएंगे her for like 10 minutes or something. ठीक है, like घड़ी लगा के, because of course. Then on the days that I would tell her कि no, I don't want to. You know what she would do? She would simply just she would just turn away and then she would ignore.
So why would you say no?
She would stop talking to me.
Why would you say no?
Why would you say no?
Because
Why would you say no?
I'm the victim. जब मैं इसको दबाती थी, and then I would ask her कि तुम मुझे सिर्फ 5 मिनट
Why
दबा
would
दो.
I do
You know
it?
what she would turn? You know what she would do? She should be like, that's it.
This is when Chotu got lost at Imtiaz.
I don't remember.
What?
तो जब कैश काउंटर पे सब हो रहा था, तो we wanted to make our own separate थैला and put all our snacks in that one थैला. Mama said that छोटू को देखो, छोटू नीचे खड़ा हुआ था, ये इतना सा छोटू. And then सब कुछ हो गया, चेकआउट वगैरह हमने कर लिया. We started moving towards the lift. Mama was like, छोटू कहाँ है? I was like, छोटू कहाँ है? I looked around a little bit. There was no छोटू. And then Mama was like, जा ढूंढ कर आओ छोटू को. And then I started searching in the vicinity of the checkout area.
Yeah.
Chotu was not in the
How?
Then I started getting panicked. He's not.
How fast did I go?
God damn it.
I'm telling you,
And
super
then
baby.
to 5-10 minutes went by, we could not find Chotu anywhere. And he was so little कि अगर हम announcement भी करवाते तो वो खुद तो announcement सुन ही नहीं सकता था. तो फिर उसके बाद then I went all the अच्छा the checkout counter was on the ground floor and it was on this side of the ground floor. So I went all the way यहाँ तक ground floor के दूसरे end पे मैं गई. And then it was in the frozen चीजों का section and there Chotu was sitting at a fridge and he had a इतनी बड़ी chocolate bar in his hand and he was talking to an auntie and then फिर मैंने उसको डांटा कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, कहाँ चले गए तुम, पागल. उसके बाद मैं उसको उठा मैं लेके गई, पूरा भाग के वापस काउंटर था to tell everybody that everything is fine, we found Chotu. उसके बाद फिर वापसी के पूरे रास्ते में हमें डांट पड़ती थी. And then नहीं सुनो there's some left.
Stop touching me.
फिर तो आई रिमेम्बर कि हम एक हॉस्पिटल के सामने से गुजर के ना, अपने घर के रास्ते में एक हॉस्पिटल आता था, वो हॉस्पिटल के सामने से हम गुजर रहे थे. मम्मा somebody just turned back and they were like, अभी हम इधर से गुजर के घर जा रहे होते बाहर छोटू के. And then आज तक I am traumatized by that place. जब भी हम उस हॉस्पिटल के सामने से गुजरते मेरे दिमाग में वही जाती कि मैं यहाँ से गुजर रही होता छोटू क्यों.
अगर छोटू नाम मिलता ना, that would have been very good for like my main character lore. Okay, अब मेरे पास एक और कहानी है. Okay, so there was this one time जब I was like very little, ठीक है, and I was in this phase जहाँ पे मैं like cartoons देखती. So basically I was like मैं cartoons देखती थी और मैं सोफे के ऊपर छलांगे मार रही होती. Something in my mind just told me कि यार अपने मुंह के अंदर ना एक चूड़ी रख लो. Why not? So I was jumping up and down on the couch. I'm pretty sure I was watching like Looney Tunes or something. मेरे मुंह एक चूड़ा में I was like vibing to it and then talk. the चूड़ी broke in my mouth and I still remember मेरे मुंह के बिल्कुल पीछे like on the top there was like a छोटा सा cut like इतना खून नहीं निकला था was it
Yeah.
oh
It was really well done, and then everybody was ऐसे चूड़ी खा लिया, glass खा लिया,
yeah it was bleeding I remember जब बाबा washroom में लेके गया I was like I was vomiting out blood but like मैं कुल्लियाँ करते मेरे मुंह से खून it was very terrifying बाबा ने मुझे like he calmed me down I was like okay चलो it's fine
यार ऐसी
I'm
चला
good.
गर्मी हो रही है
and then रुको
चला थोड़ी देर के लिए चला ना इतनी देर में चलना होता
तो basically I cannot
So
multitask.
stupid, you
I
can't
cannot
even multitask.
Then I was back. I was minding my own business. I was jumping on the couch again. I was just chilling. And then मुझे ऐसा रोने की आवाज़ आती है. I look back. Kitchen में मम्मा रो रही है. बाबा उनको चुप करा रहे हैं. And then apparently mama was scared that I was gonna like die or something because she saw this video on the internet of a छोटा सा बच्चा who had to eat in class or something. And थोड़ी देर बाद he started like bleeding out. And then he died. So she thought that was gonna happen to me. And then बाबा मुझे उठा के हॉस्पिटल लेके गए नहीं फिर रास्ते में मैंने अल्पाइन जिलेटो से डबल स्कूप खा लिया था That's good.
It's so problematic and disgusting. So you remember कि जब हम छोटे थे जूनिया में जब छोटे थे ना we used to have really epic fights. मतलब हम एक दूसरे के बाल खींचते थे नाखून मारते थे बहुत ज्यादा It used to get so bad that at one point mama would try to separate us like this. वो बोलते थे कि okay fine. Then they would tell Zuni that they're gonna give me away to an adoption home. And then Zuni would start crying and then mama was like sorry बोलो. And then I was like and then फिर मैं कहती sorry बोल दिया sorry बोल दिया. And then mama was like तुम भी sorry बोलो. And then मैं भी sorry बोल देती थी. But like I didn't mean the sorry. I did not mean it. She meant it because she was scared. I did not.
Okay, so there was this one time. It's like in relation to what she just said.
बाबा ने
Shut up, it's my
मेरी
story.
और जूनी की ना ऐसी कुछ ऐसी चल रहा था.
Yeah,
and then बाबा ने मुझे जोर से पकड़ा.
and then he told me he was like चलो जल्दी से अपना like बदला ले लो. He thought
कि मैं
I was
गुरगुरी
gonna
वाली
like tickle her or something like that. You know what
She
I did?
being the psycho that she is, the absolute demented demon that she is.
बाल पकड़े.
It got so bad that बाबा also got नहीं छोड़ो. She was crying. She started pulling out my hair with all of her strength.
Yeah, I remember. I felt very bad, but I was like, whatever. बदला तो नहीं.
Can I-
Oh my god.
जल्दी बताओ.
Basically, like, I hate myself for this. I literally do.
You hate everybody.
Okay.
You hate her. You hate yourself.
Yeah.
And just you hate me as well.
No, not you. You're good. We had a huge cardboard box. She was such an amazing sister.
Oh my god, I
and
remember
made
this.
a whole house out of it. Like she carved it.
This was like the old
she
OP
drew
story.
it, made it. She carved it like a whole house.
In front of
and then
cardboard box.
And then we got into an argument, and then I stormed over it all.
मैंने पूरा कटर से काटा यूं करके a full house out of a
Apparently
cardboard
that's a
box.
hazard for a child.
And it was. Kenji से यूं करके काटा. And then उसके अंदर we were like drawing with crayons and drawing on my side of the house. And I got mad. And then you know what he did? ये उठा. He ripped the entire house.
Frankly, I would have ripped him apart.
I was
in your place.
I was just sad. I wasn't even mad. I was very mad, but I was also very sad.
That's the worst kind
That
of
was like my villain arc, the beginning. That's like my villain origin story. It all began
Raji?
with a bloody cardboard
Raji,
house.
I can make you remember another story.
कौन सी?
The course.
कौन सी?
The ninja course.
The ninja
The ninja course.
Oh, that
The
was so
great ninja course
depressing.
incident.
मैंने basically इसके लिए पूरा एक like ninja course बनाया था.
No!
And
you have to start from the
Oh
start.
my god, okay.
Shut up. So she saw these little kids जो ये पूरे निंजा कोर्स ऐसा है कि निंजा कोर्स नहीं मतलब ऐसे
उनकी
छोटा सा
mom उनके लिए
उनके
बनाती
मम्मा
थी.
उनके लिए बनाती थी. And then she was like, oh nobody did that for me, so I'm gonna do it for my little brother.
Yeah.
The little
I'm a good
brother
person.
being an asshole.
you know what?
She made a
I
whole
did
ass
nothing.
course for him. You wouldn't start doing it.
You know, it was so good. मैंने दरवाजे में पूरे टेप से मेज बनाया था. फिर मैंने तकियों से पूरा. It was so awesome.
Yeah.
It was amazing. And then you know what happened? He was like going through the course and he would not like pass under like a tape or something. और मैंने ऐसे ही मजाक में मैंने बोला कि चल जाओ ना. Like kind of pushed him. He fell and you know the washroom.
She motivatingly pushed him.
वॉशरूम की जो इतनी सॉफ्ट सी दीवार होती है ना which is like it's so soft, like you can't even get hurt by it. आपका हाथ को उसमें बंद भी कर देना, you'll be fine. You know what? Somehow this piece of shit इसने इतना बड़ा कट अपने हाथ के ऊपर लगा लिया. So I don't even know how.
How
He
did I
just
do
fell,
that?
And then he was crying. I thought he was laughing because he fell. He turned back. Yes, sir. And I was like, you what? And घर में कुछ हावी नहीं. I called mama and then I told her, I was like, mama उसको लग गई. And mama's like, बहुत जोर से. मैंने कहा नहीं लग गई.
And then, oh यार कट होने दे.
And then mama papa came home and they scolded me कि तुमने ये उसको पूरा कबाड़ा बनाया हुआ है, this that. And I was like, this is what happens when I try to be nice.
That was the day
Not
she stopped being nice. That was the day she stopped.
That's when she started a villain arc.
How could you cut your hand with such soft?
That's what I'm wondering.
That's
How
so
did I do that? How?
I was enraged. सोचो मैं इस skit के इससे I just cut my hair. Like हम इसके phone पे record कर रहे थे and the bloody thingy it ran out of storage. And I told her we should record on my phone, but you know what she said? Where is the video? Zuri, there is no video.
What?
Okay, it's there.
I almost passed away. बस अब स्टोरी खत्म हो गई है. This is the end. And also I put my Instagram in the description. I don't think people know that. Never mentioned in my videos that my Instagram is in the description. I think that's the
People
reason.
don't want to follow you.
There.
Bye bye.
Bye.
I also have another story.
Shut up.
Shut up.